Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can cut model in two parts in Creality print slicer. So I have this simple cute dragon design onto my plate, and to get started you then want to click on the model that you want to cut into, and basically you want to press on the cut button right here, or to shortcut you then want to click the C button on your keyboard. It will then take us to the cut functionality. Basically in here you have multiple things that you can go ahead and edit, but of course if you want to cut it this way there's not going to be a problem. But if you want to move your cursor you can simply do so. Maybe you want to cut it in the middle like this one. You are able to once again do it freely. But to proceed, I'm going to add some connectors onto my parts right here. So I'll click on the add connectors option. This is going to be totally optional, and basically in my case I'll then leave it at default, and for the shape I'm selecting hexagon. Click confirm connections, and basically what this does is after I cut my model it will then have these connectors where I could put them back together if I want to. So to apply your cut after editing the properties, click on the perform cut. It will then cut our pieces into multiple parts, and basically as you can see right here we are able to cut our model freely. But of course, let's get back to the connector once more, because if you click on the add connectors option, before you can simply add the connection itself, you then want to press on the part that you want to add the connection into. And basically from here, I'm going to add the size of it. And from there, let's just do the same thing, which is to perform our cut. From there, as you can see, we have successfully also applied a connector in our cut on the Creality print slicer. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.